Hi guys, welcome back to Play With My Toys. Today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful bird, and it tweets, talks, and and so let's see what it looks like. So it's pink and it has these beautiful flowers on its wing, and it's very, very cute. Now let's go to the back and have a look. And if you look here, it says that she is Pink Beetle. And she is absolutely adorable. Let's get her out of the box and see how she looks like. Hey guys, so I opened her up and she's adorable. So cute. Her eyes, she has like flowers all over her eyes. And her wings are all flowers, and her feet are so cute. They're white. So I want to show you now how they work. So first of all, I'm going to turn this on. And as you can see, she sings. And when you stretch your back, she usually sings back. She sings, "I'm your best friend." Aww. And she's absolutely cute. I'm stroking her back and she sings. Now, if you hold this button, hey, tell me a secret. Oh, I will. Now, ready? I'm gonna tell her. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to Play With My Toys. Oh, let me try that again. Hi guys, welcome back to Play With My Toys. Hi guys, welcome back to Play With My Toys. And welcome back to Play With My Toys. So she repeats every single word that you say, and she's so cute. And hi, what's your name? My name is Sonara. So she's... Whoa. So she's so cute. I love her a lot, and she's absolutely so soft. So all you do to make her tweet is so all you do to make her sing is you stroke her back with like that. Oh, that's so sweet. So that's all we have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again next time.